Bench. You want? Yes, students. Okay. Good evening, students. Am I audible? Especially to offline students. Audible? Fan, cooler. Cooler sound is more, right? So it's give a lot of disturbance for me. So better. One. Okay. So don't mind because switch on the cooler will have two drawbacks. One is first thing, I fear that you may sleep. First thing, you may sleep. Second thing, I am getting some irritative sound. Right? So the second one, leave it. First one is very dangerous. So rather than sleeping, if you listen, that is good. Right. So let us come to the further discussion. Students who are in the online, am I audible for all of you? Right, Ma Brahmani, good evening. Please confirm, guys. Very good. So let us move to the further discussion now. So dear students, in the last session, we completed the total concept of classes and objects. Once the classes and objects are so clear, other things are dead easy for you. So we are entering into in a class, how many things you will write it, ma? How many things you will write it? Gupta, good evening, ma. Let us start. How many things we will write? Data members, methods, constructors, destructor. How many data members are there? How many? 2. How many methods? 3. How many constructors? 2. How many destructors? 1. Only one destructor. Is it necessary to write destructor from our side? No need. So who is having the destructor already? Garbage collector is having its own destructor. So you need not write any special destructor. Okay, fine. Is it necessary to disable the destructor from our side? No. Even if I disable it, is it really disabling? No. It is running on its own. Okay. Now it is the time to see the another important discussion to be done in the class, that is data abstraction and data encapsulation. Actually, this is very easy. Data abstraction and data encapsulation. So this is a topic I need to discuss in the class. Fine. If you will understand, first I will write down data encapsulation, guys. First I will write data encapsulation. First is that order I will go for it. And the last is called what? Abstraction will come later. Yeah. So first we will understand data abstraction. That is the second part I will discuss. And next I will discuss about what? Data encapsulation. So you will understand very easily because we already having the knowledge on what? Class. Well, so let us start discussing about what do you mean by encapsulation, what do you mean by abstraction, followed by programming examples. Right. So let us start with, through example I will explain. Through example I will go on discussing it. So let us follow the example section first. So now I'm going to start with something like this. See guys, I'm going to take the Python program here. Now I'm going to write it. Look at. So this program, I'm writing class account. Class account is my class name. Inside of the account, what I'm going to take? One function I will take it. Function I will take it. Constructor also I will take it. Because encapsulation concept, I will tell you with the data members, with the methods, with the constructors. I will tell in 3 levels. So let us go for DEF, set account details. Set account details of what? Self. Of self I set. Well, then there I am going to take it self.acno. Self.acno is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Self.customer name is equal to I say something like Rosam. Self.balance is equal to something like 45.67. Self.b name is equal to something like SBI. This is the data what we have. Okay, self.pin is equal to 3456. Self.pin is equal to 3456. If you carefully understand, all of them are called which data members? Instance data members. Instance data members. Spell out. Got there? Spell out. Instance data members. Are they class data members? No. They are called what? Self-related data members are called instance data members. Well, now I'm going to say class account, set account details of self. I'm writing here self dot these kind of things I'm writing. Well, let it be, I will save it. Please look into that. Today I'm talking about the security part of my class. We learn how to develop my class. Today we are learning about security part to my class instance data members. Well, students, account.py. Account.what? Py. Well, this is called what name? File name. And what acts as what name? Module name. Well, let us save this code. Account.py. Account.py. Let us go to that example. I'll go to this place. 4 p.m. Under whoops, I will take. Under that, I will take it as what? Encapsulation. And abstraction, I will take it. Encapsulation, I will take it. And abstraction, I will take it. Inside of it, I will save my code. Account.py. Can I run this code now itself like this? We cannot run it because I did not call any method. Well, so what we do is some other person, others, I'm talking about it. Yes, Mas Ravani, I'm going to call it in some other place. Modules concept I'm taking. Yeah. So this is called others. I'm taking here. Others. Dot what? Py. Others, some other person, some other part of the programmer is calling AC is equal to, he is creating an object of mine. What is my class, ma? What is my class here? My class is called account. Present in which module? Account module. So I will write it. If I write it like this, others, I will write it. Here I'm going to tell others.py, you will get an error. If I execute my code, you will get an error. Go to command prompt, E colon. So go to our location of 4 p.m. Say CD. Oops, there, CD. Encapsulation. Next is called what? Abstraction. There I'm going to take care of this. Yes, ma, Asif, I'm going to show you the error. Yeah, I'm importing, ma. Py, others.py. Asif, I will import. 2 minutes. So you are getting the error. So account is not defined, name error is coming. So definitely I need to go for import. Go students. Now Asif, come on. Import what? I can say, come on, from account, import account class. A module is a collection of what? Functions, variables, classes. From account, import account. What is this account is called? Class name. What is this account is called? Module name. Okay. Object is created. What is the content of AC? Empty. Already you know. Don't forget that. What is the content of AC? Empty. Empty means what is the dictionary? Empty dictionary is available. Okay, student. Now I want to fill the values in AC. To fill the values in AC, definitely I must call this function or not? I must call this function. Let us go to this place. I will call it. Or if you feel, sir, why to function? You go for directly. Constructor only you go for it, sir. Or separate example I will show you. Let it be. Let me continue. AC dot, what is this now? Set account details. AC dot set account details. Now carefully understand. AC is equal to account of AC dot what? Set account details. Where it is going? To account class. Set account details is set. Now I want to print it. Now AC is containing line number 3 empty. Because of this function, values are set in AC. Now I want to print it. How do you print it, guys? Come on, print. Account number is equal to I writing AC dot. Come on, ACNO. Calling with respect to object or not? Can I write here self? Can I write anybody else's self here? Come on, fast. No, we cannot write self. Why? Because there is no existence of self parameter here. We cannot call it. We have to call compulsory only with AC dot. So self is not a formal parameter. That's why we have to call with respect to object. Carefully understand, ma. Others are trying to access your account number. Your name also accessing. Name dot what? Name. Customer name. Next I'm going to access what? Is what? Balance. Account balance of this person. Next is called balance here. Next is called what? Branch name. Account branch name. I'm going to take AC dot what name? B name. Next I'm going to take it what? Account pin. Account pin is equal to AC dot pin. See that. Carefully understand. Others are creating an object of yours. Plus they are calling your function. Plus they are calling your data also. And seriously think about this point and understand immediately and see that everybody is getting total information here. Am I correct? The people are getting complete information now. People are getting the complete information. So what did you understand with this explanation? With this, what are you understanding? You tell me now. With this, we are understanding that confidential data is also accessed by somebody else. What is the confidential details here? First of all, account number I don't want to give to anybody. Plus PIN number also I don't want to give anybody. Plus balance also I don't want to tell to anybody else. Did you understand my point? Then tell me, what do you understand from what you want to do now? I want to prevent this unauthorized accessing facility. Which one I am accessing? Number I don't want to give. Name I want to give, no problem. Branch name I want to give, but I don't want to tell balance. I don't want to tell PIN. I don't want to tell the account number. Am I correct? So how we can go for it? Senapati, wait ma, wait. So I need to explain to you. I need to explain to you. Okay? Listen ma, listen. Don't be excited for that. Now I will go to my class. So others are just creating your object and accessing complete information. Now is it not called, as far as the output is showing is concerned, okay, we learned class, we have seen the output, but now I need to provide the security to my data or not? How do you provide? Come on, start with which one I don't want to go for accessing? Number, balance, PIN number I don't want to access. So now I need to hide from others. How to hide it in the class where others cannot access? Use the facility called encapsulation. What is that facility called? So I want to hide some confidential information from external users and external programmers. Are you following me? So the main criteria today is how to hide the confidential data from other programs and from external users. Okay, students? So let us go to the class. Let us go to the class. Which class? Account class. Tell me, how many instance data members are there? 4. 4 or 5? 5. Out of that, which one I want to hide from external people? Account number. Whichever data members you want to hide from external users, whichever data members you want to hide from external users, daily not possible. Yesterday also you came late. Correct? Today is the last. Tomorrow onwards I don't allow. 15 minutes grace period. After that I don't want to allow. Okay na? So yesterday also you came late. Huh? Remove the mask. No, yesterday you came late, ma. No, don't tell lies. Ma? You did not come. Maybe another, your image is there, maybe. Okay, no problem. Don't come late to the class. Book you brought it, huh? Book is not there. Pen? Pen is also not there. Then come here. Okay. Now I'm going for what? Don't feel, because if no pen, no, if you sit there, you will concentrating very well. So now if you go for it, set these things I want to hide it. How to hide it? Whichever data members you hide it, those data members must be written as what? Underscore, underscore. That means in other languages, every object-oriented programming language implements encapsulation concept. What for encapsulation concept is required? For hiding the data. Which data? Confidential data. For data hiding purpose, in Java, we will use a private keyword. Which keyword? Private. Keyword is there. P-R-I-V-A-T-E, private. In C++ also, we will use a private. But in Python, he don't want to give the keyword called private. Instead of private, he is using what? Underscore, underscore. Whichever data member you want to hide, before the data member, you write a double underscore. If I remove the double underscore, it is called public access. Everybody can access it. If I write underscore, underscore, it is called, come on, private. Private means nobody can access outside of it. Nobody can access outside of the class. Fine? So I'm going to say double underscore data members are called private data members in Python. But do you have private keyboard in Python? No. So when I write underscore like that, nobody can access from other program. Let us coming to next name. Can I write name? Can I hide the name? No, I cannot hide the name. Can I hide the balance? Yes, sir. Come on, how do you write it? Self dot underscore balance. Please don't write, my dear students, by mistake underscore self. Not like that. So you have to write only data member, you have to write it. Data member only you have to write it. Next is called what? B name. B name. Shall I hide it? No need. So now I will go for hiding what? PIN number. So how many things I am hiding? 3 things are capsulated. Wrapping up of the data and methods inside the class and protecting from unauthorized users is called what? Encapsulation. Understand? Let us start this. Save this code, my dear students. Save it. Once you save it, go to others program. This is my others. What you have created? What you have created? Account class object is created. And you called which function? Instance function. Values are there inside of AC. But can I access this AC.ACNO? Not possible. You will get an error. ACNO does not exist in AC. Or AC object does not contain the attribute ACNO. Next, you will not get any error for CNAME. You will get an error for this one. You will get an error for PIN number. Let us see that. All errors will come at a time or only one error will come at a time? Only one error will come at a time because Python is one of the interpretation process. Okay, na? So let us save this code. Let us save this code, ma. Execute. See that you are getting an error. What is the first error, please? Account object has no attribute called ACNO. Why ACNO is not possible to access? Because it is capsulated. It is go to that. So I will keep comment here. I will keep comment here. That time next, what is the answer is coming? Customer name you can access, but you will get an error called what? Balance, you will get an error. Look at that. Execute. You are getting customer name as what? Row sum answer is coming. But next account object has no attribute called what? Balance. Go there. I am writing. It is also not possible to access. Next B name answer is coming. B name answer is coming. What is the B name answer, please? Customer name and then branch name. And see that object has no attribute called what? PIN. Error is coming. So PIN also you cannot access. How many things I capsulated? 3 things. How many things end user, other programmer cannot access? 3. This is nothing but what? I am controlling this unauthorized access or not. So ultimately, I'm going to say others can access how many? Only 2. I am preventing how many unauthorized modifications? 3 things. So is it not called some security part is done or not? The way of writing my class like this, is known as what? Encapsulation. Encapsulation. And the other part which you see others is called abstraction. What you are abstracting? Abstracting means what? Getting. What are you extracting? Only essential, accessible details only I can access. And other things which are hidden, you cannot access. Am I correct? Take a small example. You went to a ATM center. There, people are just ATM people came to keep the money inside of it. The ATM center shutter will get it down or not? Why they will not open and they will not keep money? Because they are doing which process? Which process they are doing inside? Encapsulation process they are doing. Once the work is over, they will open it and you are going to take your money back. That means what you are able to retrieve, you are retrieving without worrying about where the money is kept, how the money is kept. Are we worrying about it? No, we are worrying about it. What are our information to retrieve? We never bother about what are the details which are hidden. Did you understand my point? Yes. So what is my conclusion here? What is encapsulation? What is abstraction? What is encapsulation? The process of hiding the confidential data from external programmers or external users is called encapsulation. Encapsulation is one of the distinct principle of OOPS, whose main is to prevent unauthorized modifications on confidential data. In Python, data encapsulation can be achieved by underscore underscore. Before the data member, I will write underscore underscore. Before the method name also, I will write underscore underscore. Before the constructor also, I will write underscore underscore. First of all, you tell me, what are the three things which are reusable everywhere? Variables, functions, next constructors. Constructors also can be inherited, I told you. I don't want to give inherit a constructor to anybody else. I will say what? Encapsulate. Method also I don't want to give to anybody. Encapsulate it. Data member also I want to encapsulate to everybody. Encapsulate it. So how do you encapsulate these things? How many things I can encapsulate? Three things. One is data member encapsulation, method level encapsulation, constructor level encapsulation. Did you understand? This is which level abstraction? This level, which level encapsulation? Data member level encapsulation. Did you understand, students? I will give you this part. This, let me go to the previous part. This is comes under, I will go to, I will give a separate file name for this. I'll give it, here I am saying, example I am giving, or let it be, no problem. Or I can give you data member encapsulation example 1.py. Data member encapsulation 1.py. Okay, this is one example. Under this, others are there, na? How others are going to use it? I will take it. Here I am writing data members. Here I am writing data abstraction example 1.py. Here I am writing here. What is that? Data member encapsulation example 1. Import account. Not getting. Come on. Data member encapsulation example 1.py. What is this? Access. What is my class name? In this, some of them are setting, some of them are not using, some of them are not using. I'm just changing it. For your example, also easy to view. For your convenient, I'm just changing it. So this is called data abstraction example 1. Let us save this now. I will execute. Actually, earlier one itself is enough. So I'm saying that I'm able to access only two things. So here I'm writing, not possible to access. Why not possible to access, ma? Because ACNO is encapsulated. Fine. Similarly, I will go for what? Here also I will write it. Which one? Balance also encapsulated. PIN number also encapsulated. I will write it here. I'm writing here. What is this? Balance. Here I am writing here. What? PIN. And you will get a doubt. Sir, you see, this is, you remove that and try to write like this, sir. Because you wrote there, underscore. You try to write like this. Please test it once. Some of the students may get a doubt. Now try to understand, execute again. You are getting an error. Same error will come. Actually, we should not write like this. That is only for what? Hiding the data member. Did you understand? This is called which level? This is called which level encapsulation? Data member level encapsulation. This is called data member level encapsulation. This comment says that data members not possible to access. Okay, sir. Now I will go to method level encapsulation also. I will take it. Method level encapsulation. Please take the same example. Now I am going to take another example. Please look into that. I will take it here. Observe it. Method level example. Method encapsulation example. Here I am writing set. Let it be. I am not writing anything. I am not sick. I am not worrying about anything. Let it be. I am not at all giving anything related to that. Total method itself I am not giving. Are you following? So when somebody is asking your name, you may tell your name. Somebody else, if you ask a name, you will not tell their name also. That means totally encapsulated they are. So I am fully hiding my method itself. Are you following? Now you see here, I will write DEF, something like, customer info. I'm just writing one small function of what ma self. I'm just writing, I am a customer of what bank. That's it. One small information I'm taking. So this method can be accessible anywhere, but this method I cannot access anywhere outside place. You can access only inside of the class, but you cannot access outside of the class. Understand? Let us save this question. Save this example. Data and method encapsulation example 1.py. Let us go to the next place. What is that? Next place, data abstraction example 2. I'm going to take data abstraction example 2. I'm giving data abstraction example 2.py. What I'm going to do? Tell me. AC is equal to what? Account. AC is equal to account. From where I need to get it that? From where account is a class present in where? This place. Now coming to this place, I'm writing from this place, import, what is the class name? Account. From method encapsulation example 1, import account. Yes, object is created. Now see what I am doing. AC dot, what is my function name which I am interested to call? This function you are interested to call. This function you are interested to call. So I am writing here like this. Now you are writing after that AC dot what? Customer info also you are going to call. Which function is possible to call and which function is not possible to call? Customer info function you can call it. Which function you cannot call it? Right. Let us save this example. So method level abstraction I am going to talk. Whenever there is some confidentiality, some confidential operation is going on inside, such a type of function not possible to access from other place. Execute it, students. PY, data abstraction example 2. You are getting an error. See that account object has no attribute called what? Yes. Why it is not possible to call? Because is encapsulated. Because I felt that there is some confidential information present with me. It is encapsulated. Now let us go to what? Here, possible to call or not possible to call? Now you call customer information. He is asking, tell about your information. You are saying, I am encapsulated. Don't ask. At least tell something. You are telling something. I am a customer of bank. They are asking, tell about your account number and everything. No, I am not telling my name also. I am one of the customer. You are saying. That means what to give, what not to give to others, it is there in my hands of the programming. Whichever things I don't want to give, I will make it as encapsulated. Whichever things I want to give it, I don't write anything. That is called public in access and private in access. Which things are private in access? Underscore properties are private in access and not possible to access from outside programs. But they are able to access inside the class only. Understand? There is one more concept is there. There is a single underscore concept is also. That is called protected information. In the inheritance, I will tell you that. In the inheritance concept, I will tell you that. Right now, don't worry. That is also called another level of abstraction and encapsulation. Are you understanding, students? Fine. See that, suppose you are there, mom. You are a son of your parent. Your parent is having an ATM card. Who knows PIN number? Who knows PIN number? Your parent. And he is giving an ATM card, please go and get money. What he will tell to you? PIN number. Class parent, class child of parent. What he is telling to you? PIN number is saying. So there is another neighborhood of your neighbor is coming and asking, give me card. Take the card, but he is not telling what? PIN number. So it is private for him, but it is protected for you. He can give his subclasses, but he cannot give to non-subclasses. Are you following me? To whom to give, to whom to not to give. It is all based on your encapsulation process. Getting students? Right. Underscore properties are capsulated, not possible to access, called private in nature. Just underscore are called protected. Only subclasses can access, not non-subclasses can access. And not underscore kind of things are called public in access. Public in access, public in access, private in access, protected in access. Protected in access can get only subclasses. Descendants can access. Underscore things, descendant also cannot access. Understanding my point? Not underscore, not double underscore. Who can access? Everybody can access. Am I clear? So students in the online, Ganesh Verma, why to write hash? Okay. Why to write hash? Okay, very dangerous doubt. Up to so many days, he is asking the doubt. Why to write hash? Ganesh, why to write hash? You only tell me, ma. Why to write? It is a comment. It is a comment. So I am waiting. Why Ganesh is not asking doubt? You asked a doubt immediately. So what is that? Hash is comment. So this is, here I wrote it already now, Ganesh. So student, you see, here I wrote it already. Hash, not possible to access. It is a comment. Even since you wrote already there, you can remove this. You can remove. Because I wrote in the beginning now. I wrote. If I want to give multiple lines comment, triple double quotes, I can give it. So this I am using from where? When you are in LKG onwards, I am using it. Now I am using so many days onwards. Ganesh, so did you follow? Come down to this place. Here, not possible to access. Not possible to access. From here, I will get it into that. I'll get it into this place. Not possible to access. Where is it? Data member. Not possible to access. Because which method is capsulated? So here, I'm writing, which is a function as capsulated ma. Set account details is capsulated. Not possible to access because the method is capsulated. But other method can be accessible. Other method is accessible because I wrote it as what? Normal, public in access. Understanding students? Fine. So sometimes you will also apply very regularly encapsulation process. You will come out from the college home. You will go to when new movie is released. You will go to movie. And your parents will ask, today where you went? Just now I am coming from college only. Today exam is there, practical exam is there. I wrote it and I came now. So what are you hiding? Confidential information. Hiding or not? What, Rocky? Did you say like that in any time in your lifetime or not? Rocky, will you say? Extra class today. Okay. Very good. I did not know that. Extra classes. Okay. Very good. So have you applied encapsulation in your life or not? What, boys? Applied or not? Yes. I hope girls will not apply. They will say as it is to their parents. Sometimes, okay. Very good. Very nice. So anyhow, don't apply encapsulation to the parents. Say everything to the parents. Okay? They gave the birth for you. Say everything. Okay, na? Fine. So, yes, Senapati. Every day from childhood. Very good. Not everybody. Some exceptions are there. For example, me, you take it. I will not, of course, you don't think that. I will tell to anybody, everybody, everything. With you also, when I'm taking leave, also I'm telling to everything. Okay? Okay. Anyhow, boys could not properly like you, sir. Okay. So, okay. Knox. Okay. Belt teguddi sir maaku. Okay. When you say wrong, okay. Very good. So when I say something, now online students will come to like anything. When I ask a question, they won't reply. Okay. Anyhow, come on to the point, ma. Fine, students. Okay. Only truth. Fine. So leave it. Come to the point. Now we went to encapsulation to normal life. So in the debate, online students also participated. So which level? How to know those values, sir? That's what, ma. Ibrahim. So how to know these values? That is not the point of encapsulation. In the OOPS, they did not give you how to get that values. Suppose, for example, as a banker, what I will try to do? I'll try to protect my values. A hacker is always trying to write what? Some different algorithms. He will try to secure, he will try to get some confidential details. Am I correct or not? So our security is increasing. Other side, the hackers are trying to get the confidential matters. They have their own hacking algorithms are available. So in cyber security, you may come across how to get those encapsulated values. Definitely there is one concept might be there, how to get those kind of things. In OOPS, they did not give you how to get the encapsulated values. Right? Yes, Mas. Ibrahim. Very good. Now, let us move to the further discussion. Which level of abstraction we understand? Which level of encapsulation it is? Method level encapsulation. This is called what? Method level encapsulation. Method level. I'm writing here. Method level encapsulation. Fine. Method level encapsulation. Previous one is called what? Data member level encapsulation. Previous one is called what? Data member level encapsulation. This is comes under data member level encapsulation. I'm writing here data member. Today's class we are talking about data member level encapsulation. Understand? Fine. Now I'm going to introduce what? Constructor level encapsulation. I will take it. Can I take it? Constructor level encapsulation? Yes. Let us go to that now. Let us go to the same place. I'll go to the another part of it. Here I'm going to say something like this. Observe it. Method level. Constructor level encapsulation. I'm going to say constructor. Constructor level encapsulation. Come on. Here I will write it. What is the original constructor definition, please? I forget. Underscore, init underscore, self. Correct? What, ma? Correct? This is called what? Constructor notation. Which level? This is called what actually? Constructor actually this is called constructor. Default constructor. Yes, Master Ravani, very good. That is called a default constructor. Now, I will go for what? This you remove it. Keep it comment only, no problem. I initialized my data. Go to the place of, this is, save this code, saying here, I will write it in other place, I will carry this information, I'll just paste it here. Python program, here I'm going to say, example3.py. What is this now? Constructor level encapsulation, example 1. From where? Import. Now, whenever an object is created, what is calling? Constructor will call. Am I correct? Constructor will call. Which constructor? This one. This one will execute. Immediately, what are you doing? You can print or not? How can you print, ma? You see previous example. I will take out this entire information. I can take out this entire information. I will try to print it. I will try to print it. What is that printing process you see? I will remove this. I will remove this. I will remove this. And these things you don't worry. This I will remove. This also I will remove. This, all the things I will remove. Fine. So try to understand me carefully. Say data abstraction example 3.py. Py 3.py. Execute. Now see that 3.py. It is, everything is printed. Because the constructor is calling, data is printed. Today, I want to prevent this. I want to prevent this. How do you do it? Yeah, don't take much time. Please, come on. You don't think already underscore is there. Don't think. Left side underscore is there. Right side underscore is there. It's the convention of constructor name. Today, what is your specialty? Write 2 more underscores before underscores. Come on. How many underscores I write before? Underscore I wrote again. What it is meaning of it? Save it. Save it. Now see. Execute it. See that? It itself made fail. No more account number. Nothing is there. Object itself is not created. Object itself is not created. Constructor itself is not created. How can you print it? How can you print it? This itself is not possible to call it. Object itself is not getting initialized. How can you say that ACNO with respect to self? Self itself is not there, na? How can you call it? Did you understand this? So what this is nothing but I am fully dropping the object creation of somebody. So how do you conclude it now? What is the question is coming in interview point of view? One important question is regularly coming. How do you prevent the object creation of some class? How do you prevent the object creation of any class? Go. See, I am writing class C1, pass. Class C1 pass. Go to save it. What is my class? Save this. C1.py. This is called a C1. What is that? Py. Somebody else is very much interested to create an object of yours. What is that? O1 of what? C1. And what are you saying there? From C1, import what? C1. Am I correct? Import C1. Object is created successfully. Print off. Object created successfully. Okay. You try to execute C1 demo. Okay. Execute py C1 demo dot py. So object created successfully. How do you prevent it? Go to your class. Which class it is? Which class it is? 1 minute ma. I go to this place, C1 class, this place, and say what? Remove that def underscore init underscore of what? Self. Init underscore of what? What happens? So go to this place, underscore you say, and say something like this. Say something like, pass. Say something like pass. Something like this. And today what I am writing? Underscore you write it. Underscore you write it. What is happening you see? What is happening here? So say this is treated as what? Coming to this point, object is created. C1 is here. Okay. So here it is expecting some body to be written. See that Whenever I write this one, observe that syntax once. It is taken as this type of information. If I don't write the body, it is just taken as what? Normal method it is speaking like. Now, if I write inside some type of information, what is the information I am writing? What is the information I am writing? Self.a is equal to some 10 I am writing. Such a type of remove the past that time. You go to this place, and here you call it this point and observe it, try to access. You have to understand very carefully. Even that message is coming, don't think that object is created. Print off what? Print off. Now, what is that now? O1 dot. Yeah. Try to understand this point. C1 dot demo. Even though the word is coming object created successfully, is that object is having this value A? No. I did not call that method, but still A is not possible to access. So the point to understand here is, in this case here, I made as what? Constructor level encapsulation. This is called what? Constructor level encapsulation. And the next is called what? Data member level encapsulation, underscore. And then method level and abstraction encapsulation. And then at this present is called what? Constructor level encapsulation is done. Are you able to follow? So coming to the point of it, I hope that encapsulation concept is doing what? Abstraction concept is doing what? You understand, I hope. Two things. Whichever you want to hide, go for encapsulation. In how many levels? 3 levels. One is method level, data member level, constructor level. And abstraction also. Irrespective of the data member, method or constructor, what is given to access, that only we are accessing. What is hidden, we never bother about the retrieving time. So in the data abstraction example time, I am retrieving C name and B name. In the case of abstraction 2 level, I am getting only this accessible function only I am getting it. In the case of data abstraction 3, I cannot call any of these functions at all. Any of these members I cannot call it. So I'm writing here, any of these things I cannot call it. These are all called what? Fully not possible to access. Not possible to access because all of them are capsulated. So this is about capsulation kind of things. So what is the symbolic notation for hiding the data? Right. So I'm going to open some small documentation. Instead of writing everything from my side, I'll just take up something like this. Under this oops, under that encapsulation and abstraction, I just want to open it. The notes is there, of course, which you can understand very easily. Let us start about this. Understand data encapsulation. First, the process of hiding the confidential information, data, methods from where external programmers or what? End users is called data encapsulation. Wherever there is a confidential information is there, immediately go for encapsulate it. Very good. The purpose of encapsulation concept is that to hide the confidential information or features of class. What are the features of class? Data members and what? Methods and constructors even. Constructors. Right? Coming to the point of it, data encapsulation can be applied in how many levels? They are number 1 at a data member level, at a method level, at constructor level. Come on now. To implement data encapsulation in Python programming, data members, methods and what? Constructors must be preceded with double underscore. Don't write first underscore space, second underscore. Don't press space. Continuously you have to press double underscore. So syntax number 1, students, class name, def, method name of self dot underscore underscore data member name is equal to value 1. Self dot underscore underscore data member name 2 is equal to value 2. So on self dot data member n is equal to value n. This is called which level? Data member level. Coming to next syntax number 2, class name, def underscore underscore method name of self. You are writing the same data members in different normal way. Which one is encapsulated? Method. Constructor third, class this name, I am writing def like this. I am writing underscore underscore before and a normal underscore. Under that I will write this data members. This itself is not possible to create. Okay, under that I give some example what I gave you. Account.py, file name, something is encapsulated. Here I wrote the example also. Here I wrote the construct class name also. Class name also. Get underscore account details. This is called fully method itself is encapsulated. Here abstraction you take it. Abstraction. What is that abstraction? The process of retrieving or extracting which details? Essential details. That means what you can access, we will give you. Without considering which details is called what? Data abstraction. Because so much of clarity is required. Because it's a compulsory question. Encapsulation gives hiding process. Abstraction gives what I am able to access, you access. Hidden details is not possible to access. If at all you access hidden details, you will get error. Correct? Na? So, without considering hidden details is called abstraction. You see in this place others.py can access only customer name and what? Branch name. And pin code also you can access. No problem. What is your area pin code? No problem if you tell your pin code. Any problem in pin code? But there is a problem if you give what? There is a problem if you give UCMA, pin code is equal to. There is a problem if you give what? Pin code I can give you, underscore underscore pin I cannot give you. Okay, so here you see this example, this program access only customer name, branch name and pin code only. That means AO dot account, AO dot get account details. Account number not possible to access. Customer number no problem you can access. Balance you cannot access. Branch name you can access. Pin number not possible to access. Pin code can be accessible. Area pin code possible to access. Example 2 you see. Example 2 others1.py. In this case others 1 means this is account 1 others 1. The method itself is made as encapsulated. In this case others 2. From others here we cannot access method itself. So we cannot access instance data members obviously. Once a method itself cannot access, will you access instance data members? Huh? No. So create an object from account 1, import account 1, AO account 1. Method itself is not possible to access. Obviously, these data members are not possible to access. Understand? So this is about which level? Method level. This is method level here. Anyhow, I am going to put this many number of examples in the class. This constructor level, all the additional examples I am going to keep it. Clarity is there. So students who are in the online, did you understand, students? Ganesh Verma. Okay. So understanding this one. Right. So I will go for, this is about yesterday according to our schedule. This is about encapsulation and so whenever I like it, I can apply encapsulation. So while I am writing the class data members, methods and constructors, whichever I don't want to give, immediately I will make it as capsulated. Whichever I want to give, I will remove the capsulation. I can apply in classes and object, I can apply in inheritance, I can apply in polymorphism, everywhere else I can apply what? Encapsulation and abstraction. Can you do one small written test question? Yesterday, One of our student has selected in one company. He asked about our classroom question. Some extension they asked, it seems. So that question I will dictate. If possible, you do it. Otherwise, I will do it in the class. He selected in TCS, yesterday's class. So write down that. Open it. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Yes, ma, Asif. It will retrieve the data. It will retrieve the data. On the data, any operation is there, it can perform. No, not a problem. If it is able to perform any operation, you can do it. Fine. So write down. Write a Python program which will actually, this program already we did in beginning level only, and with the database they connected with, and you can do very easily by listening this. Write a Python program which will accept, little bit fast you write, ma, which will accept student number, student name, and marks in three subjects. Okay. Next up, calculate the total marks. Already we did this. Did you remember? Write down. Calculate the total marks. Calculate the total marks. That is first one. Second, that is the first one. What I said. First one is calculate the total marks. Next up, give the grade as fail. 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 Provided. Provided. What I told ma. Provided. Student secure. Student secured. Less than 40. Less than 40. In any of three subjects. In any of three subjects. Did you remember this? Already we did in the very beginning level. Loops level we did. Okay, next. Give the grade is equal to distinction. Little bit fast, ma. I have to do it if anybody is requesting that. So, give the grade is equal to distinction. Give the grade is equal to distinction. Provided give the grade is equal to distinction, provided the total marks lies within 250 and 300. 250 and 300. Because each paper is 100 marks. Between 250 and 300 is distinction. Next, give the grade is equal to first. 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 Provided the total marks. Provided the total marks lies within. Come on, ma. Come on, guys. 200 and 249. 200 and 249. 200 and 249. Okay, na? 200 and 249. Next, give the grade is equal to second. Give the grade is equal to second. Give the grade is equal to second. Provided the total marks lies within. The total marks lies within. lies within 150 and 199. 150 and 199. Okay. Right. Last. Give the grade is equal to third. Give the grade is equal to third. Give the grade is equal to third. Provided the total marks lies within. Provided the total marks lies within. Within 120 and 149. Why 120? 40, 40, 40. 40 is the pass marks, right? 40, 40, 40 means 120 and 149. Give the grade is equal to third, provided the total marks lies within 120 and 149. Right. Full stop. Next line. Generate the results. Generate the results. Generate the results. And store it in database. Store it in result database. Store it in result database. Result database. What do you mean by that? In the bracket, in the result table, result database, underline result database. That is nothing but a Oracle, I can say. Result database. In the bracket, you write store STNO. Store STNO. Yes, Manoj, thank you. You are giving the question to me. Very good. Store STNO. STNO. Store STNO, comma name, comma name, comma M1, sub 1 you write, sub 1. M1 means first subject. Sub 1, subject 1, comma sub 2, comma sub 3, comma total marks, and grade. And grade. And grade. Right? Easy or difficult? This you implement with classes and objects. Right? Close the bracket. Implement the code by using classes and objects. Implement this problem, you write. Implement this problem by using classes and objects. Implement this problem by using classes and objects. Yes. If you ask me to say, come on, ma Ganesh. Ganesh, you are asked me, sir, explain abstraction you asked. Tell about abstraction you said. Abstraction I explained, Nama. Abstraction means what? Retrieving the essential details without considering the hidden details. I will go to ATM center to withdraw my money, that's it. I never search here and there where they kept money. Will I? No. Here, there is a generalized example. Here, encapsulation is some details are hidden. By thinking about how to get the hidden details, will I get it with oops? No. I will get only required details by using what? Abstraction. Am I correct? So now I will go for giving the next one is going for this example. So will you do this example or I have to do it? If you say, sir, do it means I will start immediately. So half an hour time is there. So do it, sir. Okay. Okay. No. Sri. Okay. P. Srinivaslu. Sir, why are you asking? Okay. Srinivas, we should ask him. We should ask to everybody like that. Fine. Like that. So don't think like that. Srinivas. Fine. So shall we? Okay. Everybody is saying that do it, but one or two is saying, sir, don't do it. If Irfan is saying, sir, don't do. Sir, don't do it, sir. Renuka is saying, do it. Okay. Offline students, you tell me. Chakri, sir, explain what is the web crawling. See, ma'am, this will come in actually in data science level, web crawling, web scraping. In the beginning, features level I said. Did you remember web scraping is one of the feature of what? Python. You'll be getting in data science level, that is. So web scraping concept, web crawling also. So that is coming in next algorithmic based examples, they are all called. That's what I'm saying. Those who are all learning Python, learn with data science also. Right. Fine. Irfan, keep it as encapsulated for today, sir. Okay, that means I have to maintain secrecy for that. So tell me, guys, shall I do it or you will do? You will do? Very nice. So shall I start the next one? So, yes, ma, Brahmani, I will explain, ma. Overridden topic is there. First, I have to complete inheritance. After that, we will go for it. So, fine. So, Rocky. Okay. So, some people are asking, because if this question is coming in written test, because this question I heard in 2 to 3 places. Database we taught separately. This we saw taught separately. And I did not say using whoops. So I will go for what? Using whoops, we will go for it. Shall we start quickly? So come on quickly now. Class, student, marks report. Everybody please understand. Students marks report. Here I will take DEF constructor, I will take it. Underscore DEF, underscore what? Init, underscore of what? Self. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. In this place, Srinivas, sir, could you please explain data abstraction? That only, ma'am. That only, Srinivas. Just now I said you, na? Abstraction means, once again, I have to give you the clarity on this. Here you see, Srinivas. Here you see in our example. Just now I completed that. You see, Srinivas. In the account class, I am hiding this data, account number. I am hiding this balance. I am hiding this PIN. Hiding the data is called what? Purely encapsulation. What I am giving, what I am permitting to give, name and branch name. Customer name I can give you, branch name I can give you. So as an other end person, what you can access from my object? Only 2 details you can access. That is known as what I am saying? Abstraction I am saying. So here 2 things are there. What I hide it out of 5, 3 things I am hiding, 2 things I am giving to you for access. Those things which you are possible to access, what you are accessing, only 2 things you are accessing. That is called what? Abstraction. What I am hiding is called what? Encapsulation. What I am giving for access? Abstraction. I am saying that what? My name is so-and-so, I am teaching this subject, etc. You are hearing that only. You don't know what is my address, where I will say, what time I will come, what time I will go. That is hidden from you. It's not necessary for you. Understand? Srinivas, did you understand, ma? Did you understand? Okay, fine. So now I am going to further. So please, everybody try to understand me. So I think Ganesh also can understand with this example. Now I am going to come on to the point. Self dot. Quickly. Self dot. First I need to access what? NO. Student number I need to take or not? Accept student number, student name, marks. Very fast you need to tell me. Input of, come on ma. Enter student number. Please everybody try to say. Enter student number. Okay ma. Next, self dot s name is equal to input of enter student name. Enter student name. Okay. Next what? Self dot sub 1. Sub 1. Subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 is equal to int of input of enter what? Enter what? subject 1 marks, subject 1 marks, subject 1 marks. Fine. Subject 1 marks should not be more than 100, should not be less. What is that? I told you, while true. Did you remember that? Forget, did you remember that or forget, ma? Self 1 dot sub 1. Come on, guys. Greater than 100, greater than 100. Greater than 100, greater than 100, 1 minute. Less than 100, less than or equal to 100. And self dot sub 1 less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. What should I say? Break. By number 6, ma, what is that? Okay, float you want me to take? No problem. Okay, float I will take. Float you want me to take. So in our memo, we have integer marks, na, that's why I took it. In float also you can take, no problem. Take float. So subject 1 marks is 102, somebody enter 102. Same. 102 less than or equal to 100. False. False means while loop. While loop. Repeated. You got 99. 99 less than or equal to 100. True. 99 greater than or equal to 0. True. Say what? Break. This is called evaluation of which marks? Subject 1 marks. Similarly, I will take it as, carefully, ma, all of you, evaluation of sub 2. Enter subject 2 marks. Enter subject 2 marks. This is called subject 1 marks. Sub 2, I say, sub 2, self dot sub 2 greater than or equal to, break. Next I am taking one more thing, is called sub 3. Sub 3 marks I am taking. Sub 3 marks I am taking. 3, and this is called what? 3 I am taking. Say this what? Break. This is called evaluation of my marks or not? Because of this, which object is created? Which object is created? Tell me. In the same place. Main program also I will write it. What is my main program? You see, SO is equal to what? Yes. Please save this code. I will run this program partially. Student marks report, student marks demo .py. Carefully follow. .py. Saying that execute. Go to encapsulation and this place only I will save it. In this place, see that py, see that what happens. Where it is saved, ma'am? That I hope it was saved in some other place. E:4 p.m. data encapsulation. Oops, I'll go encapsulation. You try to save it. Yeah, now it is saved. Execute this. Say this. Enter the student number 100. Next is called what? Srinivas. I say. Enter the subject 1 marks 66. Enter the 77.77 and 56.688. So I'm getting the data or not? So if I print my object, my object is fully ready with what? How do you print? SO dot underscore of what? Dict. Just a sampling. I'm just verifying whether my code is perfect or not. Okay, student, run this now. Number is this. Srinivas, I'm entering -66. It is not going to allow. Enter subject 1 marks. Say 66. Enter subject 2 marks. -99. It is asking again 99. I'm asking -88. It is going to ask you once again 88. See, my object is printed. Number, name, sub 1, sub 2, sub 3. It is more than enough to compute my result. Come on, let's go to the next. Let's go. Come on, start. SO dot Yeah, you can leave. Yes, what dot? Tell me. Come on, guys. Cal. Yes, what dot cal? Decide results or not? Decide. Hmm. Decide results. It is my code, my function. I will write it. Which function it is? Instance function. In the same class, I am writing DEF. What is my function name? Decide results. Come on, what is this now? Self or not? Good. Self contains a reference of what? SO. SO. Total SO data is available in self or not? Yes, please calculate total marks. Self dot. Come on, ma. TOT marks is equal to. Come on. Self dot sub 1 plus self dot sub 2 plus self dot sub 3. Well, I got total marks. You want to calculate percentage of marks also, you can calculate. Self dot percent is equal to self dot TOT marks is marks by 300 into 100. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. I got two things. Percentage I calculated. Next I need to go for grade na. Say quickly. Self dot sub 1 less than 40 or y or either of it, any one of it. Self dot sub 2 less than what? 40 or self dot sub 3 less than 40. See. Understand? Come on, take self dot grade is equal to what? Fail. Because along with my data members called marks, I want to total also to carry. I want to carry what? Percentage also, grade also. Okay, sir. Else, okay. In fail grade, okay. In pass grade, there are multiple divisions are there or not? Okay. Come on. If self dot TOT marks greater than or equal to 250 and self dot TOT marks less than or equal to what? 300. Okay, sir. Self dot grade is equal to what? Distinction. Similarly, I will write here, if you understand me, I will take here, come on, elif, say what? Greater than what? 200, less than or equal, less than what? It is greater than or equal to 250, lies in this case. 200, 249, okay. 249, am I correct? Come on, guys. Less than 200. Yes? No? Greater than 200, less than or equal to? Yeah. Okay, correct. Now correct. Okay. 249. Okay. Now what is this? First this is first. Next I will take it one more kind of thing. I am taking here. I am taking this process. Self dot total marks is equal to next. 150. And what is this now? 140. 141. It is 190. 1 minute more, 199. It is greater than or equal to 150, less than or equal to 190, Okay. It is called what? Second. Fine. Next is called what? I say, what is this now? 120, 149. Okay. Is called what? Third. Very good. So because of that, what is ready? Grade is also ready. Now what is left out? Storing into the database. Okay. Now see here. SO print. Test it. Test by yourself. SO dot underscore what? Dict. Beginning, what is there? You print it here. What is happening? You print it here. What is happening? And print it after the results. Go to that. Say something. So 222. Something like Raj. So something like 30, 99, 78. What is that? You see, beginning, this is the data. Beginning, this is the data. Now see number, name, sub 1, sub 2, sub 3. Total marks 207, percent is 89, and the grade is what? Fail. Understand? Now, if I give same 222 like this, I am giving 90, 90, 100. Who is this? Distinction. This data, I want to store it into where? Database. So first what we do? I need to create one table or not? So I'll go to table. Which database you want me to take? Oracle you want me to go na? MySQL? Huh? Where? MySQL. So I'll go to that. Let us go to the place I will create. Go to this MySQL. Go to MySQL. Say that root. What is this now? Use directly. What is this? Batch 4 p.m. Batch 4 p.m. Show tables. Okay. Only no more tables are there on that kind. So I need to create a table or not? Create table. What is the table name? Result. Come on. Yes, SNO. What is that? SNO. Switch off your videos, guys. Switch off your videos. SNO. Which type? Int type. You want to give any primary key, you can give it. Primary key. Do you know this primary key? Next, yes name. What is this now? Varchar 2 na varchar? Varchar only. Okay. Varchar 2 of what? 10. Next, please. Sub 1. What is this now? Real. Or I can take float. Or I can take double. No problem. Okay, student. Now, whenever I take real, it will take the highest type. Okay. Not null. Very good. Not null. All of them are not null. I will take then. Sub 1 is what? Real. What is this now? Not null. Sub 2. What is this now? Real. What is this now? Not null. Come on, next. Sub 1, sub 2, sub 3. Sub 3. What? Real. Not null. Next. TOT marks. What is this now? Real. What is this? Not null. Next. Percent. What is this now? Real. What is this now? Not null. Next. Grade. Varchar. Switch off your videos, I said, mom, many times. Why are you switch off on your video? Of what? 10 or 15, I will take it. 15. What is this now? Not null. Correct? Say semicolon. What is happening? Varchar, somewhere else problem. You have an error in your SQL syntax. check manual that correspond your SQL version for the right syntax is used near not null. Where is that space I did not give? Okay. So see that all of you check it once more. Go back to your syntax once. Create a table, result SNO into primary key, name varchar 10 not null, sub real not null, sub 2 real what not null, sub 3 real not null. Yeah, not null. TOT marks real not null, percent real not null, grade real or not null. Okay. So what is happening? Table created. Query is okay. Query is okay. DESC. What is the table? Result. Semicolon. This is my table. This is my table. Select star from. Select star from what? Result. No more data. Empty is there. Empty. This is my data. In the order only we need to pass the data. Okay, sir. Go to there. Now, SO dot. Put it into database. Store. Store in DB. Store in DB. Store in DB is my database function or not? Go to that. Go to that place. Say that function is there. You take it. Say here. DEF. What is my function name? Sort in DB. Okay. Self. Come on. Start. What should I do? I forget. I forget database. Like you, I also forget. Import. Go to the place. Import MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot what? Connector. Okay. Come on, mom. Connection is equal to MySQL dot connector of MySQL dot connector dot connect. Okay. Connect of host is equal to host. Host is equal to what? Yeah, local host, comma. Come on, next I will go for this. Next, come on. User is equal to what here? Root. Okay. PSSWD is equal to what? Root. Okay. Comma. Database is equal to batch 4 PM. Batch 4 PM. Understand? Okay. Next I need to create what? Cursor object I need to create. Cursor is equal to con dot cursor. Con dot what? Cursor. Well, cursor off. Next, execute. Okay. Execute. See you design the query or not? Okay. Shall we design the query? Yeah. Let us. You can execute in one place only. Direct attack. Execute off. You can write. Biggest code I can write it. Instead of that, my dear students, I will split it not to get confused. Insert query is equal to, come on, insert into result table values order please. Order please. Keep in mind that order. Please keep in that. Number, name, sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, total marks, percentage and grade. Yes, please. Percent D, comma, single quote of yes, comma. Are you following? Next, percent what? F, comma, percent F, comma, percent F, comma, percent F, comma, percent F. 3 subject marks, right? 3 subjects marks, right? Plus 1 total marks and percent. Next, percent of what? Yes, grade for grade purpose. How many values? How many values? Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there? 8 are there. Okay. Say that a grade is this and then name is that, 2 string data. That's why I put it into like that. Okay. Insert into, I said that. Come on. IQ percent of. Be careful. Self dot SNO. Self dot, see that SNO. Take care about the variable here, SNO. Come on. Self dot. What is that? S name. Next. Self dot sub 1. Self dot sub 2. Self dot sub 3, comma, self dot TOT marks, come on, comma, self dot percent, just check the variable once. Yeah, percent, next to last, comma, self dot, grade, well, great. Close this, close that, and take care of that. Here I am saying that IQ contains, so here 4 values and 4 more values, total 8. Then say what? Execute CUR dot connection dot what? Commit print of student record inserted in table. Very good. Done. This is related to store DB. Save this code. Ready to insert it. Go to the place. So enter the number 2222. Say that. So student is called what? Raj. Say the marks is called what? 40. Say marks is 40. So that student record inserted in table. Go to that place where MySQL, say select star from, it is inserted. 2222 inserted. Who is that? Passed in which division? 3rd. Perfect. Super. So enter the number 3333. Ganesh. So 90, 99, 90. So inserted. Go to that. Go to this place. Select star from distinction. Next, go to the place. Next, enter the number 333. Student name, something like Ram. So Ram Kumar. So say that marks is called something like 300. Not accepting. Validation is written. So say something like 39. Okay. 201. Not accepting. 49. Okay. Accepting. Marks 3. 9999. Not accepting. 99. Accepting. Something gone. Because something is gone. 3333 already entered. Ram Kumar number also entered 333. Primary key I applied. Don't get tension. Primary key applied. Last one you see duplicate entry 333 for result is that. So how do you do that? Go to your place. I can write what, my dear student? I can say here only, I can say what? Try. I can say happily this type of result. What is it? I can say, come on, man, except MySQL dot connector dot database error as DB. Say here problem in database colon, I say, comma what? DB. I'm just capturing what is the database message. Already 33 is there, but I was trying to enter 33 only. See my data inputs here, 3333 was entered. That's a problem. So say that once again, try for that. So I say here 4444, some data you enter, say that Ramkumar, say whatever you have, you enter the same information. So done. Go to that, insert it, go to this place of this time, go for that. So fail. Like that we can enter. Clear? If such questions are coming, will you do it easy or difficult? Easy. Suppose if you don't practice, definitely that day is the worst day. Definitely. You will feel sore-headed so many times. Practice. That question only came in the question paper. And this is the day to get the offer letter. But because of not practicing, problem is coming. That is the realization day. But the same opportunity may not be coming again. That's why practice it well and do it. Easy or difficult? I'm combining loops program plus what? Database. I can do anything else. Fine. Students in the online, are you right? Ashif, very good. So did you understand this? So when I applied to your job, sir, you said, you tell me, sir. When I applied to job, sir, you said, you tell me, sir. What is that, Rocky? Fine. So understand easily. So this code I will post it. So try to practice. Tomorrow I will introduce inheritance concept. I will introduce. What is the tomorrow's topic? Inheritance. Inheritance topic I will introduce. Okay. Rocky, you will tell to me. Okay. So write in English so that I can understand. We are writing in Telugu like you are a friend to me in chat box, not good. So I may not be able to understand, especially in Andhra Pradesh. Telugu will change from one district to another district. In Telangana, same Telugu will be there. But in AP, Telugu will change from one district to another district. Some small variation I observed it. Let it be. So don't go to that Telugu in the chat box, please. Everything to write in the Hindi. So how to retrieve the data in the data? In XML file you are asking. So XMLs will come in Django level. XML will come in Django. XML file will come in Django. So what is underscore dict? Underscore dict. What is that? What is underscore dict? Our object is containing the data in the form of data member value, key comma value pair. It is called what? Every object is containing the data members of ours in the form of dict. So underscore dict will give you our object data in the form of key comma value pair. Where I explained it? Where I explained it? Ganesh. So, oops. Under that, classes and objects. Under that, class, object. Awareness about the class, object. Some customization purpose. Maybe it was available in the object part. So, Senapati, what is that, ma? Data science is better always, I say. Senapati, data science is always first one. Data science is always first one. Right. Sagar. Yes, ma. Definitely. So before this, definitely, ma, I will tell you when my data science will start. Definitely, I will tell you. Fine. So I'll tell you, ma. I'll tell you to it. I'll tell that. Senapati, I will tell you. Sagar, I will tell you that. Fine. So in the beginning only I wrote object, empty dictionary. I wrote that information, right? Fine. Ganesh, please read the notes, ma. So when I am calling your name again and again, others are feeling something. So please read the notes. Definitely, no. Renuka, I will intimate. Definitely, I will intimate. So shall we stop the class? So 6 o'clock now. Tomorrow class, when I come back, I'll introduce inheritance. Saturday, don't go here and there. Come to the class. Of course, all of you coming daily. That's nice. So Online students, don't miss tomorrow, because tomorrow, whatever I discuss, Monday will be continued, Tuesday will be continued. Because inheritance and polymorphism, again, combined features that will be combining. In that, method overriding will come, constructor overriding will come. I'm explaining that concepts also. Don't miss it. Important. Right? Thank you. Good day.